Hello friends, let's learn how to make mixed fruit custard. In a pan, add half liter milk, stir occasionally and boil the milk. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add half cup milk and add 1 tablespoon custard powder, mix it well and add the mixture to the milk and stir continuously so no lumps are formed. Add 4 tablespoons sugar and mix well and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes until it thickens slightly. Then transfer to a bowl and let it cool completely and refrigerate it for 2 hours. Once the prepared custard milk has cooled completely, add chopped nuts and fruits of your choice and mix it well. Our mixed fruit custard is ready to serve. Do like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.